Today is a very special day. 38 years. August 8, 1988. My parents started this. Boy and Kim who were brave, who took a chance. Kurso na dagyod. Ang gusto gyud ni Papa, license lending.
To Alano and Sons, visitors, friends, thank you for being here with us to witness our 38 years anniversary.
Sa 38 ninyo katuig nga pagserbisyo, mulatas unta kamo alang sa mas dako pang kabaguhan. Mahimo kamong mga liso sa mustasa alang sa mga tao nga nahanglan.
This is just the start, rising from a spark, where it all begins is waiting for you in the stars. This is just the start.
Happy 38th year anniversary ASCC, and thank you for allowing me to be part of your inspiring journey.
We'll keep running, nothing in our way.
Happy anniversary sa Alano and Sons Credit Corporation. For 24 years, diri sa Alano and Sons, daghan kay kong memories.
Happy anniversary, Alano and Sons!
This is where the adventure begins.
Thank you, Alano and Sons. Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Alano and
Taking
Sons!
hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see.
Happy 38th anniversary, Alano and Sons Credit Corporation.
And now
Amazing! Congratulations, GA Alano and Sons, for your big dream, making a reality for 38 years. Congratulations for your dedication, helping others like us.
here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
This company is more than just a company, and I hope that tonight we can celebrate the work we put in to make this house a home.
Continue to be grateful because companies can build products, companies can build profits, but only people can build a legacy. And that legacy is in your hands.
I'm happy, I'm so proud that my grandchild, Krisa, could make things possible.
ASCC continue to prosper, touch more lives, and remain a source of opportunities for many years to come.
To the pioneering, it was a sacrifice. For you, Rino, you could make more. It was a sacrifice. So in your case, if I was able to make 42 brands in 20 years from age 60, I know you could reach it to 100.
Congratulations again. Our work is not yet done. Let's work together, grow together, magpadayon ta. Happy anniversary, Alano and Sons. Let's keep moving together.